Great Wall Motor or GWM is marking its entry to the Philippine market with its Haval brand of SUVs. They've been selling in Australasia, Russia, and South Africa. So GWM isn't a Chinese car per se because they've been selling vehicles globally. As you can see, their cars look interesting outside. But do their features and performance match what's outside? Let's take a look. Great Wall Motors showed what its products, the Haval H6 and Jolion crossovers and the GWM Cannon pickup are all about with the day at the Batangas Racing Circuit. The Haval Jolion is a subcompact crossover that will be available in gasoline and hybrid electric power. With its 1.5-liter engine, 148 horsepower, and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, the base Jolion's acceleration felt tame around the track. The car's ride and steering felt admirable too. The Jolion also has radar-assisted cruise control and lane-keeping assistance, which allowed us to almost maneuver the track with our hands and feet off the controls. And that gave us more time to enjoy the Jolion's interior. Even though it's the smaller crossover offering of Haval, the space is good inside. I have plenty of legroom as well as headroom. The interior is interesting as well because of these cream-colored leather seats with the brown stitching. And the brown continues to the door panels as well. And the door panels feature the interesting patterns that stand out from an otherwise gray interior. And the seats are very comfortable as well. As our cameraman noted, it feels like the seats have memory foam in them. So here we have the Jolion HEV. While we didn't get to drive this vehicle, there's plenty to like about it. 188 horsepower from a combination of a 1.5-liter engine and a 1.6 kilowatt-hour battery pack. That's actually 68 horsepower up from what the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid produces. A rival to the RAV4 Hybrid, the Haval H6 HEV shares the 1.5-liter engine with the Jolion, but with an increased horsepower and is paired with a 174 horsepower electric motor to achieve a claimed 0 to 100 kph time of 8.3 seconds. Also, you get active parking assists, which use a dozen proximity sensors and numerous cameras to park the car quicker than you would. And here's the GWM Cannon, which is the best-selling pickup in China, and I heard it's also pretty popular in Australia. The highlights of this pickup truck include the 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, which car guys may be familiar with. An off-road course was set up for the Cannon, and here the pickup also shined. As passengers, we noticed that its competitive ground clearance helped it through the narrow and uneven track with ease. The Cannon's full-time 4-wheel drive system, which consists of a mechanical rear differential and automatic locking Borg-Warner center differential, also helped pull the truck through. The Cannon's ride remained remarkably soft, even as the pickup was hustled around the dirt track rally style. So there you have it, GWM's 3 models. We're excited to do full review of these cars, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss them when they come out. This is Dylan and thanks for watching.